Hello friends, welcome to coaching. This is a part 2 CRUD operation API with minimal API concept, and the link for part 1 is available in the description. Now I will create an endpoint for return employee data. For that I will create two API endpoint. One is for returning all employee data and another one is returning only specific employee data based on the employee ID. App.mapget employee async. Here I am taking DB context as a parameter for accessing employee DB. Await DB dot employees dot toList async. This is API endpoint is completed for returning all employee data. Third API endpoint I will create for returning employee specific data. App.mapget employee. Here we need to specify ID async function. Inside the function I will pass two parameters, one for the employee ID, another for the employee DB context. Await DB dot employees dot find async. Here I am passing ID. Based on this ID, this API is returning employee specific data. Now we will run this API and check these two API output. API is running on this URL localhost 5242. Again I am coming here in the Postman, and here I have a get employee API endpoint request. So here I mention get method and the URL of our API, and I will send the request. Here I got the response. Now I will add another record into database using the employee insert API. I added one another record. I got the response. Now I am opening another request for get specific employee data. So here I mention parameter employee ID 1 and mention same method get, and I am sending the request. So here I get the specific employee data Dhruvesh. ID is 1. If I am changing here ID is 2 and sending the request, so here I get another response. It's the employee name is Bautik and ID is 2. So this is the get all employee. Here I am sending again request. Here I got all the employee data, and this is the API endpoint returning employee specific data. Rest of CRUD operation API endpoints are available in Part 3. Link for Part 3 available in description. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe for more such content.